Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkov's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to fix the failed to load steamui.dll error on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are encountering the failed to load steamui.dll error on your Windows computer, there are a couple of effective solutions you can try. First, let's focus on the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable packages. You will want to search for the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable and navigate to its official download page. Once you are on the page, scroll down until you find the x64 version. Click on this version to download it. After the download is complete, you will need to run the installer. During the installation process, you should see an option to repair the existing installation. Select the repair option and let the process complete. If repairing the Visual C Redistributable packages does not resolve the error, the next step involves using the System File Checker tool. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt in the search results and select Run as Administrator. This will open an elevated Command Prompt window. In this window, you need to type the following command exactly: sfc/scan now. Press Enter to begin the system file scan. This process will check for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files that might be causing the uidll error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.